Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best clear shell replacement for the Nintendo Switch. The eXtremeRate DIY replacement shell in clear atomic purple. If you're looking to give your Switch console and Joy-Con controllers a fresh, unique look, this is definitely a kit you want to check out. Right off the bat, this replacement shell is custom designed specifically to fit the Nintendo Switch console and controllers perfectly. The precision cut means it snaps into place and functions just like the original shell, so you won't have to worry about compatibility or interference with your gaming experience. What sets it apart visually is the matte transparent clear atomic purple color, which adds a stunning, vibrant personality to your console. A serious upgrade from the standard, boring colors. Now, this isn't just a cosmetic change. The kit is made from premium ABS material, which is known for its durability and practicality. So while it looks great, it's also built to last, protecting your device effectively. The matte finish gives it a premium feel and minimizes fingerprints and smudges, keeping your Switch looking clean during intense gaming sessions. The package itself is quite comprehensive. It includes the console back plate, replacement cases for both Joy-Cons, a full set of buttons, a cross screwdriver, Y00 screwdrivers, and even spare screws. This means you have everything you need to completely swap out your Switch's exterior, no extra purchases required. However, it's important to note that this is just the shell and buttons, no electronics or internal parts are included. Installing the shell does require some moderate electronic installation experience. But don't worry, the manufacturer provides an installation video guide on YouTube, which you can find by searching eXtremeRate New Horizon Style for Switch, or by the video code 08QPB2UTBHK. The instructions are best followed at half speed with a pause and do method, which makes the whole process manageable even for less experienced users willing to take their time. One of the benefits of this DIY approach is that you can personalize your Switch exactly how you want it, making it stand out among the sea of consoles. Whether you're a collector, a streamer wanting a unique look, or simply someone who loves customizing their gear, this kit gives you the freedom to express your style boldly. Additionally, eXtremeRate is a brand known for quality in the gaming accessory world, especially for Nintendo Switch customization. This clear atomic purple shell follows in that tradition, delivering a high-quality replacement option that balances aesthetics, durability, and functionality. If you're concerned about the feel and ergonomics, the buttons and shell have been engineered to match the original Switch experience closely. The tactile feedback remains intact, ensuring your gameplay isn't compromised in any way. The transparent shell also allows the internal layout and components to subtly show through, which adds a cool tech vibe to your device. To sum it up, if you're looking to upgrade your Nintendo Switch with a shell that not only looks amazing, but also provides durability and precision fit, the eXtremeRate Clear Atomic Purple DIY replacement shell is an excellent choice. With the full set of buttons included and easy-to-follow installation guides, this is the perfect project for gamers who want to personalize their console. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tech and gaming accessories out there. Catch you in the next video.